everybody. All right, so I've been on a bit of a hiatus because, you know, holidays. Life, stuff.
That's good.
Whatever.
A spa break.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right, so it's actually Friday and it's Posh night.
Yeah,
and I'm so excited. So I'm here with my friend Angela.
Again.
And real quick though, it's January, and so it's a brand new opportunity for you to join Perfectly Posh. So we wanted to show you real quick what the new kit is going to look like.
And it's exciting. I love the new stuff.
I'm part of the brand I love. And you can be too. Just like before, our starter kit is going to come with 3 bags. A Pampering for Me bag, a Samples for Your Business bag, and
products to sell.
Yeah. 3 bags.
3 bags. One for you, one to sell, and one to sample. Yes.
So we're going to start with Pampering for Me. And if you would notice,
it's new.
It's new and it's pink. All right. I'm singing. It's fine. I'm excited. So the actual scents that you receive. Why are you out of the frame? I'm gonna fix it. It's fine.
Okay.
It's
all right, fine. Okay, I'm tracking now.
Okay, our first bag is our Pampering for Me bag. In your Pampering for Me bag, you are always going to receive a Big Fat Yummy hand cream. The actual scent that you'll get will vary, but you're always gonna get a Big Fat Yummy hand cream, and they're the best hand creams ever.
I was looking to see what this would be considered.
That is the product of the month.
Right, and so these are cheat sheets, and these are the cucumber under eye. See them?
It's a brand new product. I'm so excited.
Fun.
So every month you get a monthly theme product, and the month of January it's going to be the cheat sheet masks in your Pampering for Me bag. Plus a chunk bar, because you're not posh unless you use a chunk bar. Our chunk bars are triple milled soap bars made from sodium palmate, which is sustainably harvested palm oil. A traditional soap bar is made from sodium tauolate, which is rendered animal fat, and that's why it's going to leave you dry and itchy when you use it.
Not ours. And you're going to get a skin stick, the healer.
The healer.
Everybody loves the healer.
The healer 100% will always come in your Pampering for Me bag when you join Posh for $99.
And what's next? The Ritual.
We are a fan of exclusives, and the Ritual face mask is a pink face mask that is exclusive to Posh consultants only. All right, next up, samples. You can't have a Posh business without sharing Posh, and samples are the best way to do so. So
carry them with you, carry them everywhere, because I know.
These bags are awesome too.
Look how big it is.
Opens right up.
It's humongous.
Samples.
Everywhere.
Okay, moving on. Products for my business. And again, this is a nice, like,
it's huge.
It's like a DOP bag. Is that what it's called? DOP? D-O-P-P?
Never heard of it.
A DOP kit.
No,
That's usually for men, I think. I have to cut that part out now.
Yes, you do.
We've got the new logo. It's pink. It's products for my business. You guys, you've got over $100 worth of products in just this one bag. So it costs $99 to join.
But you will always
You immediately get that value back and then
Oh,
some.
is that where you were going with that?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. So you're going to get one fizzy bath bomb.
So fizzies are our bath bombs that are line extensions.
And they're so soothing, and they all smell different. So I'm not sure if they'll even know which fizzy it is, will they?
They won't.
It's okay, because everybody loves them.
Give it the sniff test.
It doesn't matter which one it is.
Next you're going to get
Oh my God.
options, surprises. You're either going to receive a mask or a Snarky bar. And since they're new products, I happen to have both options. So you're either going to get Sleep On It, which I'm super excited to try, or the Healer Snarky, which is a brand new Snarky for us. So you're gonna get one of these.
You're gonna have to do this all over again.
Why?
Because I'm sucking today. My energy is really down, dude. Yeah. Okay. And then you'll always get a BFF, or Best Face Forever.
That's our gentle exfoliating face wash. It's been one of our best sellers forever.
It's got grapefruit and peppermint. Everybody loves it. And you're gonna get.
I feel like I keep forgetting where the camera hole is.
Yeah.
It's getting dark. We have to
hurry, chop, chop.
Okay, you're gonna get 2 skin sticks. We happen to have Sleepy Sleep and Flower Child. You don't actually know which skin sticks you'll get, but you are going to get 2
on top of the healer that you just got in your other bag.
3 total in your starter kit.
And another chunk. We don't know which one it'll be, right? Or do we know it's going to be the gender bender?
We don't know.
Okay, so you can't go wrong. All of our chunk bars, like Jessica said, are made with some pretty awesome ingredients. They don't dry you out, and they're just...
And they last.
And they're huge.
They totally last.
This one?
You're always going to get a hand cream. This happens to be one of my most favorite. It's so funny. It's getting dark, but it's like so bright. There we go. Ain't that the youth? So this is our, you know, anti-aging hand cream, and it's unscented. It's the most fabulous hand cream on the planet, basically.
And you don't need a lot.
Nope,
ever.
Just a pea-sized amount.
And you'll either get a body butter, and this is our new one, our body butter, or a scrub, a body scrub.
Or a scrub.
So this one is called Jam Packed. Yum, and it smells so yummy berry.
It really
I wish we had
does.
Scent-O-Vision.
I know.
I know.
Smell-O-Vision.
Scent-O-Vision, Smell-O-Vision. Yeah, whatever.
Do you want to smell it?
I did.
Oh, I wanted to get it on your nose.
I'm sorry.
I did not. Oh, now I got it on myself. Help me, Mommy.
Oh, yeah, she made a mess. A mess. But this kit, is there more?
Nope, that's it.
That's it. But it's not really that's it.
But there's more. But wait, there's more. Get a vial sample card.
And everybody loves vial.
You're going to get a bundle of postcards. You're going to get a Posh polka dotted guide. This is your consultant handbook.
Thorough.
And you're going to get 5 catalogs. You guys, this is a brand new catalog.
And it is fabulous.
I'm so excited. And a couple other tools. And you're going to get discounts. And you're going to get the opportunity of a lifetime. Do we have anything else to tell them?
No, tonight is Posh night, and we're just excited, and everything
Super
today has
excited.
been phenomenal.
And we have more exciting events coming up at the end of the month. She's going to be in Dallas. I'm going to be in Cincinnati. And then we're going to be going to Nashville this summer.
In May, we're going to be in either California or... Maryland.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yep. And then in September, we're going to Lake Tahoe.
Oh, yes. This is Platinums. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Platinum
And
trip.
then... in April, we're going to the Dominican Republic.
Oh, yes. Yes, April of this year.
Anyway,
we didn't have to wait like a year.
You don't have to do all of that traveling, but if you like traveling, I'm just going to say a Posh business might be the way to go.
Yes. Because then you get to travel with your buddies.
Your best friend. All right, guys.
I didn't see that.
Thank you so much for watching our video and learning all about the new January kit. I'm super excited. If you have any questions about Posh whatsoever, get in touch with us because it's 2018. There's never been a better time to start a business, you guys. People want to buy local.
Yes.
Our products are made in the USA. They're cruelty-free. They're under $25, and they're the best.
They feel amazing.
Well, there's that, side note.
Yes. So we're going to go and we're going to celebrate 2018 beginning. And we're going to make it great. So come join us. Let's have fun. Let's make lots of money. Let's go on lots of trips. What else is there? Make lots of friends.
Have so much fun.
Have so much fun.
Have a good day.
Bye.